Hi, I'm Tom Snowberger, Chief HR Officer for University Hospitals. I'm here today to let you know that our 2019 open enrollment will begin November 5th and run through November 19th, and to announce that our 2019 medical plan premiums will increase by just 2%, with no increases to copays, deductibles, or coinsurance. Additionally, Healthy UH incentives will continue in 2019 to help reduce the cost of our plan. You've told us that you want a modern approach to your UH Total Rewards and a simpler, more personalized online benefit experience. This past year, we introduced several new contemporary benefit programs. You may remember that we enhanced preventative care to include services for our employees with diabetes. We offered part-time employees age 55 and older with 10 years of UH service the same premium rates for medical plan coverage as our full-time employees. We introduced new voluntary benefit options that many of you requested, including identity theft protection and pet insurance. We also enhanced paid time off for our maternity, paternity, and adoption leave. And we reduced fees through our medical plan for outpatient services provided at our community hospitals and health centers. It's my pleasure to now announce the launch of myuhr.org. It's your online resource for HR, benefits, and open enrollment support. The new web portal replaces uhwellness.org and brings together in one place everything that UH offers to support your personal and professional well-being. You can access the new portal from any internet-connected device, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at work, at home, or on the go. You'll enjoy single sign-on access to your benefit accounts for medical, dental, 401k, or 403b retirement savings, pension, and more. And you'll find what you're looking for quickly with the new portal's user-friendly design and enhanced search functionality. But there's more to myuhr.org than benefits. It's designed to empower you to explore and experience the value of being a UH employee. I feel good about our new HR portal, and I know you will too. It's the latest demonstration of our continuing effort to ensure you have the information you need to manage your overall Total Rewards program. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank you for everything you do every day to support our patients and our community. Thank you.